Blockchain infrastructure, services, and components include 1. Blockchain platforms. This is software that allows you to create and manage blockchains. Examples of such platforms are Ethereum, Bitcoin, Hyperledger, and others. 2. Cryptocurrencies. Blockchain is used to create and manage cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and others. Cryptocurrencies are a primary application of blockchain and allow for secure and transparent financial transactions. 3. Smart contracts. These are computer programs that automatically execute conditions and rules outlined in a contract. Smart contracts operate on the blockchain and enable secure and automated transactions without intermediaries. 4. Decentralized applications. dApps. These are applications that run on the blockchain and do not have centralized control or management. dApps provide various services such as financial services, social networks, games, and others. 5. Digital wallets. This is software or hardware devices that allow users to store and manage their cryptocurrency assets. Digital wallets provide secure storage of private keys and enable transactions on the blockchain. 6. Mining. This is the process of verifying and adding new transactions to the blockchain. Miners use their computing power to solve complex mathematical problems and receive rewards for their work. 7. Consensus algorithms. These are algorithms used to achieve agreement among blockchain participants on the state and order of transactions. Some of the most common consensus algorithms include proof of work, POW, proof of stake, POS, and delegated proof of stake, DPS. 8. Application programming interfaces, APIs. These are sets of tools and protocols that allow developers to create applications that interact with the blockchain. APIs provide access to various blockchain functions and services. These are just some of the main services and components included in blockchain infrastructure. Depending on specific needs and applications, there may be other blockchain-related services and components. Decentralized finance versus traditional finance. Slow speed and high fees, inaccessibility, and regulatory uncertainty are some of the main problems that plague the current banking system. Unfortunately, not everyone has the privilege of access to the current financial system. People who do not have this access are inherently disadvantaged. The DeFi movement aims to eliminate these differences and provide financial accessibility for all, without any form of censorship. In short, DeFi opens up huge opportunities and allows users to access various financial instruments without any restrictions based on race, religion, age, nationality, or geography. DeFi is not a single product or company, but a set of products and services that replace such financial institutions as banks, insurance companies, bond markets, and money markets. Decentralized financial applications allow users to combine their services, opening up a multitude of possibilities. DeFi applications have the potential to revolutionize traditional financial services by eliminating the need for intermediaries. Risks of decentralized exchanges. Decentralized exchanges also have their own risks. Here are some of them. Low liquidity. Decentralized exchanges typically have lower liquidity than centralized exchanges. This means that it can be difficult to find a counterparty to trade with, especially for large volumes. High fees. Some decentralized exchanges may charge high fees for executing trades. This can be due to limited liquidity and additional costs of ensuring the security and efficient operation of the platform. Lack of regulation. Decentralized exchanges are typically not regulated by government or financial authorities, which means that users do not have the same level of protection and legal recourse that centralized exchanges may offer. Smart contract vulnerabilities. Decentralized exchanges often use smart contracts to execute trades. However, these smart contracts can contain vulnerabilities that can be exploited by malicious actors to commit fraud or hacks. Lack of support. As decentralized exchanges do not have a central operator, users may encounter problems that can be difficult to resolve without support from the platform. Overall, as with any type of exchange, using decentralized exchanges also requires caution and taking steps to protect your assets. This may include checking the security of smart contracts, using reliable wallets, and carefully selecting an exchange to trade with. Latest news and events in the world of cryptocurrencies to be aware of possible threats and risks. By following these guidelines, you can increase the security of your assets when using decentralized exchanges. However, remember that risk is always present, so be careful and attentive when making any financial transactions. However, it is worth noting that some centralized exchanges take measures to ensure the security and protection of user assets. For example, they may use cold storage to store most of users' funds offline, as well as apply various security measures such as two-factor authentication and identity verification. In any case, when using centralized exchanges, it is important to be cautious and take measures to protect your cryptocurrency assets, such as using strong passwords, activating two-factor authentication, and storing a significant portion of funds in your own wallets.